Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video. So today's video, another fun one like always. We're taking the KTM 125 out to Dawson and Deegan's track out there. So we're gonna get some riding. I'm gonna let them ride it and get some clips of them. And then we'll bring the Insta360 cameras and probably let them wear them. We'll just see. Usually I do separate videos for those, but this one's gonna be a vlog style. So we're gonna have third person clips, which should be cool. So yeah, we're gonna get loaded up and then we should be good to go. Okay, so we are all loaded up. Hopefully this runs right today. I just mixed some 91, some old 91 mixed at 40:1 with some 93 mixed at 40:1. I don't think that's really gonna be that bad. But this bike has a recall, so this is going in next week to get that fixed. They've never really ran correctly. They run too lean on the top end and too rich on the bottom end. And so it's getting a new like stator or crankshaft positioning sensor, and then different fuel mappings are going to be programmed into it for whatever KTM has ready to go for it. And then it gets a different throttle body and then a power valve adjustment. And hopefully that fixes the bog because it's annoying and scary. You guys have seen it in a couple of my videos. It just cuts out. So hopefully that gets fixed. And yeah, so we're gonna head out to Deegan's. Alright guys, we just made it out to Deegan's house. He's riding my KTM. I wanted to see what he thinks of it. He's a ripper, so I'm sure he's gonna love it. 'Cause it's super powerful. And I never actually got to hear this bike rip, so it's gonna be sounding cool to me, because you know, when someone else is ripping your bike, you never know what it sounds like off the bike. So we'll get some raw footage. that's gonna do it for today's video. We got some good riding clips. We let Deegan ride the 125. Dawson rode it, but he noticed the bog right away because he rides really fast. And then I got some Insta360 videos. Deegan got some, Tucker got some, and we should have a good 2-stroke raw video. It wasn't really a vlog because there wasn't too much going on. We were just kind of riding for like 20 minutes and then sitting for like a half hour. And yeah, it should be a sweet video. If you guys liked it, just let me know down below. And thanks for watching.